Introducing EZWinder, the innovative, totally battery-powered way to raise and lower landing gear. As the driver landscape changes, fleets are needing to evolve to create a safer, easier, and more productive environment. EZWinder can help solve these challenges. Easy operation, no hand cranking. Power on. Push one button, that's all. Less than 60 seconds to lower or raise the landing gear. The blue light always lets you know the EZWinder is on. Our included battery allows operation without the cab for up to 180 cycles before charging again. Patent-pending sliding hinge mechanism for easy shifting from low to high gear permits lifting up to 30 tons. Easy operation. Power on, then push one button to lower or raise the landing gear. No hand cranking to reduce driver fatigue and injury. We offer 2 universal kits that work with virtually any type of OTR trailer. Our patent-pending I-beam clamping kit or our side mount trailer frame mounting kit. Maintenance-free design, no complicated air or hydraulics, installs to your existing landing gear. Power on. One button operation, no pain, no strain, no hand cranking. Remember, be safer, more productive, work smarter. Call or email EZWinder today.